Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain one travel app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. OneTravel is a travel booking app that allows users to find and receive flight hotels, rental cars, and vacation packages. It offers competitive pricing, mobile-only discount, a reward program, and a simple booking interface for both iOS and Android. User can compare multiple options in search once, making it a convenient for planning trips and grabbing last-minute deals. However, OneTravel has been criticized for hidden fee, strict cancellation policy, and poor customer service experience. Some travelers report difficulty getting refund and changes processed. So here's the overall conclusion. The app still worth it if your travel plans won't change, but not ideal if you value flexible policy or strong customer support. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.